In today's video, we're going to be looking at selecting multiple files using the arrows key in Windows 10. As you can see here, using my arrow keys, I can only select an individual file, which I can then press enter on to open, or I can either just press escape to leave, or I can interact with more by pressing the right click on the mouse. However, if we want to select more than one file using the arrow keys, we can simply hold the shift key and move the arrow keys up whilst holding to keep them all selected. From here, we can press any button we like. If we need to delete the files, we can do so as well. Thanks for watching. Visit kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services.